I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron and welcome to our kitchen. It's time for another fall recipe. Come on. This one is quick, it's easy, and delicious. Yes, they're back. Pumpkin spice Cheerios. Oh, 3 of my favorite things. 4, counting my pumpkin pie spice. This is all you need. Peanut butter, some honey, these delicious pumpkin spice Cheerios. You can actually use any kind of Cheerios to your little heart's desire. But I'm using these. Oh yes, I am. And no, it's not keto friendly, and it's certainly not sugar free, so be very careful. And of course, we always that glorious yummy pumpkin spice that we have to pull out of the cabinet. Let's get started. And I also forgot to mention, I am going to put about a 1/4 teaspoon of maple extract in. First things we're going to do is put our peanut butter and honey into this mixing bowl. You want to use something that's microwave safe. Or you can put it in a pan and heat this over a stove, on your burner until it's easy to incorporate. You want it kind of thin so that we can mix our cereal into it easy. And I'm putting 1/3 cup of peanut butter. You can back this down to a 1/4 cup if you would prefer. I'm a peanut butter fan. Yeah. Let's get this over to the microwave. "30 seconds at a time." That's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna take it out and give it a stir. And we're going to do this 3 times. You just don't want to get it too hot. It's the main thing. You want to remember that honey can get rancid if you're not careful. You know, you don't have to use honey to do this. You could actually use sugar-free syrup if you want to. Okay? And we're going to do that 2 more times. Now, remember, this bowl is going to be hot, so just be careful. Now let's go ahead and put our maple extract. You can use vanilla or, you know, whatever extract would go well with your cereal. I just think that the maple extract would go deliciously well with my pumpkin spice Cheerios. So let's give that a mix. And then we're going to add our Cheerios in. This smells so good. I'm excited to try these. I have to admit it. Yes, I am. I've been waiting for these Cheerios to come out so I could make these. Tom said, "You don't have to do that. You don't have to wait. You can go ahead and use regular Cheerios," but no, not me. I need these. Okay, go ahead and pour the rest of those in. Give this a good mix. Stir it really good. Now, I'm going to take it back over to the microwave and heat it up for just a few seconds. Where it's a little cool in the house, it's causing this to set up sooner than I want it to. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. But look at that. Look at that goodness. Yeah. Okay. If that happens to you, just pop it into the microwave for 30 seconds, and you'll see it comes out. You'll see it makes the house smell even better than it already does. We're just going to take this scoop. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm going to use a scoop. I might. Let me see here. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch over to a spoon instead of this scoop, because they're sticking really bad. Actually, I'm grabbing 2 spoons. You'll see. Just scoop them off. Like that. And then we just finish the whole thing. Get them all onto the prepared parchment paper. Get them all onto the prepared pan. If you can do it without taking a bite, that's great. I didn't. I took a bite. I recommend using silicone because I was having a terrible time with this sticking. I haven't made these before, and definitely if you have something that's made of silicone that you can use to scoop these out, that would be a very helpful hint. But I've wanted to make these for such a long time, and Tom had mentioned to me about just getting, you know, a different kind. You know, the honey oats. But I can't, it's got nuts in it, and I can't eat the nuts like that. I think these are going to taste just great. And oh, what a treat. What a treat to use for the upcoming holiday season. For your children. Let's see if I can get this one. Okay, now this is going to harden up, which is what we definitely want. But I'm going to try to put all these together, make a nice little packed. Yeah, I just stuck that in my mouth. See that? Isn't that just delicious looking? But we're going to let these set up and give them about 2 hours. Then I'm going to come back and give it a try. These have been sitting for quite a while now. And they're ready to be put in their airtight container so we can keep them stored. You can keep them stored on the counter. Just keep them in an airtight container. I would like to ask you, if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you will. And click the subscription button. Ring the notification bell. That way each time I put new content on, you're going to see it. You're going to know it. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or comments on this delicious recipe, if you make it, let me know. If you do and you twist it, let me know what you did to it. Because I always like to say, make it your own. Put what you like in it. I am a huge fan of pumpkin spice. I know a lot of people are not. But you can always use the cinnamon Cheerios. Oh my goodness, the recipes you can make with this is endless, I believe. But let's yeah. Let's give this a try, shall we? Mmm. Still crunchy. The flavor is amazing. Look at that shine. Isn't that pretty? Thumbnail. Yes, I copied. Thumbnail again. Okay. One more bite. Mmm. Okay. I'm going to finish this up. You all dig in your pantry, get this out and fix it. It's so good. Now, y'all take care. We'll see you on the next one. Fall recipes. Delicious. Bye.